Hi, this is a present of final project in deep learning for healthcare. Our team member is Ruike Zhu and Pan Liu. We will produce the Sherbert model, which is a self-supervised graph learning model with hyperbolic embeddings for temporal health event prediction. It is aimed at the EHR data, and it also takes full advantage of hierarchical structure of medical codes and composed by a graph neural network with a weighted and directed graph of medical codes. For the dataset, we use Mimic3 and EICU dataset. Mimic3 contains about 50,000 admission records, and the EICU is larger and its record size is about 3 times larger than Mimic3. This is the framework for the whole model. First, the hyperbolic representation of medical codes are pre-trained with a hierarchical structure. Then the Sherbert graph is constructed based on the presence of medical codes in admission records. A graph neural network is adopted to learn the hidden embedding of medical codes. Next, an encoder is used to train the admission of records of a patient into a patient vector. And for the self-supervised learning, a historical hierarchy prediction task is designed to utilize the hierarchical structure of medical codes in prediction. Finally, after self-supervised learning, fine-tuning for specific prediction tasks is applied. We have trained the hyperbolic embedding for 500 epochs and fine-tuned for 200 epochs, which is seen as a value provided in paper. But for the self-supervised learning, since one epoch takes about 10 minutes, so we only have 50 epochs, and this could cause some of the results not as good as the paper shows. Here is some of our implementation methods. We implement the experiment in the below table. For Mimic3 dataset, we perform 2 tasks. They are heart failure and diagnose task. For heart failure task, we first train with parameters given in the paper, called Sherbert underline A model, and then we train the dropout rate of graph network to see how results changed. We also try to remove the hyperbolic embedding part in the pre-train, and we call this Sherbert underline B model. For diagnose task, we train with the Sherbert underline A model. And for the EICU dataset, we only perform diagnose task. We train both Sherbert underline A and Sherbert underline B model. Here is some of our results. First is for the heart failure task. We only have this task on Mimic3 dataset, and we can see that as the dropout increased towards 0.8, which is also the value given in the paper, the results basically shows increasing tendency. When we remove the hyperbolic embedding part, the result in this task is even higher. This may be because we do not pre-train enough epochs. For the diagnose task, we perform it on both 2 datasets, and in this task, when we remove the hyperbolic embedding part, the recall and F1 score all decrease. And this is the overall present of our project. Thank you.